Hey crafty sis, our burger and french fry box templates are one of our best sellers, so here's a quick tutorial to show you how to properly assemble our burger box. This template does come as an SVG file. Although you can cut by hand, I do recommend using a cutting machine such as a Cricut. This will ensure that you have all of your score lines to make assembling a breeze. So first things first, pay attention to all of the different places where you have those dotted lines. That's going to tell you exactly where to fold your template. So I'm just going to go through and fold each and every part that has those score lines to make sure that I'm getting a nice crease for each part. All right, the next step is to fold and tuck. So every single place where you see a slit, as well as the little tabs, you're gonna wanna make sure that you connect those points. So as you see me doing here, each part that has a slit, I'm connecting that tab that goes right directly on top. I do want to mention, make sure you're using the box as your guide. It should directly be the slit that's right above where you need to connect. The more you connect them, the more the template is going to take its form, and the easier the rest of the slits will be to connect. I do also want to mention it's totally optional, but if you wanted to, you could also add glue as double security once you connect all of your slits. But again, that's totally optional. Your burger box should stay together once you properly assemble all of it. Once you're done connecting all of the tabs, you should end up with something like this. I'm just going to open it up and make sure that I add an extra crease on the inside to make sure that my box is opening and closing properly. And that's how you assemble your burger box. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Make sure you guys comment, like, and share this video with a crafty friend who could use the gems. I'll also leave the link to the template in the description just in case you haven't grabbed it already. Be sure to also join me live each and every Thursday for Template Thursday as I show you how to maximize party templates. See you later. Bye.